there, so just a quick video to talk through the setup that you're hoping to achieve in your survey. So first of all, just want to apologize for yesterday, and I didn't exactly have enough time or as much time as I would have liked to talk you through this. We got pretty busy on chat, so I just unfortunately had so many people I was talking to, I just couldn't give you the correct attention. So once again, apologies for that. But this will be much more straightforward over a video rather than trying to talk through the steps anyway. So yesterday, I kind of got you to this stage where you may have set up a matrix table with one scale point, and I said to specify each person along the left hand side and each task across the top. So what we can do instead is we can just go ahead and create each action or each area along the side. So say for example area 1, then area 2, area 3, and maybe we'll just leave it at that. Then what we can do is we can actually create one scale point for each person. So maybe we just say person 1, person 1, person 2, person 3. Ooh, 3. So now we have each person and each area all contained within one question type. We also have our matrix table set to be a constant sum style so that we can do our analysis in terms of statistics on the back end as well. So the reason we're laying it out like this is because when it comes to reporting, each area will be reported on separately, whereas we can actually compare person 1, person 2, person 3 from within the one area. So this is the best way to lay it out to achieve however you want. Obviously, you can have as many different areas and as many different people as you wish here. So now if I just go ahead and generate some dummy data for this question, I'm just going to test the survey and start a couple of tests, maybe just 5 to start with. Then we would click through to the reporting area here. Oh, also we can set validation as well, that you must have maybe, it must be between 1 and 5. Apologies for not clearing that. I will go back to that. But now what we will get is we will now get this area here. So we will have the question saying, please rank each person on each area, for example. Then we will get one visualization for area A, or area 1. You can toggle around using this data source up here that basically will say area 1, and you can just have a look at the person 1 mean if you wanted to, but also by going to area 1 and clicking on all choices, you will see all 3 people here. So you'll see person 1, person 2, person 3, and the means for each person, so you can actually see which one's performing the best in this specific area. Then you would go down and click on the next visualization, go to area 2 and choose all choices, and then you can compare each person for each area. So again, we're kind of on a statistics table right here, so you're getting a whole heap of numbers, but if you're just interested in a simple table, you can just pull that in and pull whichever metric you're interested in as well. So in this case, we're just interested in the mean. So it's working a little bit better where we're not having one question for each area, we're all containing within one question, and in the reporting area we have one visualization for each area and with each person contained within it. So I hope this is more of what you're looking for, but please do let me know if this isn't quite exactly what you're looking for, and we can try and think of something else. I'll just really quickly go back to the survey and talk through the validation then, just to make sure that we're setting it up correctly here as well. So with this type of question, the validation is a little bit different because it is a constant sum style question. So we couldn't say, for example, must total, because then we actually need to total a specific number for each row. Instead, what we're going to do is we're just going to do a custom validation, and it's going to be a little bit awkward, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to say for area 1, person 1, the choice must be less than 6. So that means it must be, and also you could do and must be, let's see, and question 1, area 1 is greater than 0, for example. So that's basically saying they must enter between 1 and 5 for the statement. Then we could just go ahead and move to a new logic set to create a new little grouping of options and say, and question 1, area 1, person 2 is the same thing again, so less than 6 and greater than 0. So this is completely optional if you really, really want to. If you want to get away with just doing less than 6 and they can enter between 0 and 6, then that's fine. But if they do need to enter between 1 and 5, this is the best way to go about it. So you would just keep repeating this and having one different action set or logic set for each option in the matrix table here. So I hope that clarifies. Please let me know if you have any problems setting this up. And like I say, if it's not exactly what you're looking for, let me know and I'll be able to talk you through it. Once again, apologize for yesterday, but hope this helps you.